Hi, this is Tim. Today I'm taking over Queen and Andy's channel to give you a tip about replacing your cell phone screen. Wendell made a video that shows you how to change your cell phone screen. It's actually on a G7. But one thing that she left out is if you get the little kit that has a little Torx bit screwdriver, then chances are it's not going to take the little screws out. And if you have that situation, if you'll just take a file and rub it across it. Still a little loose, but it's starting to grab. So rub it in a little more. And what we're doing is, see, this is kind of pointed on the end. You can put the focus really good. So as we file it down, we're actually making that point a little larger diameter. Now, it will grip and take the screws out. So that's just a little tip to help you out if you're having trouble getting these little small screws out with the kits that come with the replacement screens. Till next time.